Hello guys, here we have a new problem on Python where our objective is to write a function in which we will be passing a dictionary value, and from that dictionary value we have to retrieve the key names and we have to sort them and give the output in the form of list. As you can see here, I am giving some input to the function and that function will give you the output in which the key names will be in the sorted order. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. So first thing, we have to write our function. Let's write function, define the function, and this function will take an argument from the user. Let's say that argument is myDict. First thing what I have to do is I will need some empty list where I will be appending all the key which I retrieve from the input. Okay, so now I will check the values passed by the user is dictionary type value or something other. So I can check that using the type function. Then type of myDict is equals to what is dictionary. I have to check this. Okay, if it is a dictionary, then only I can get the key and value pairs, right? So now I am using this for loop to retrieve the key names from the dictionary. So for key in myDict dot keys, so it's the dictionary properties. If you want to find the keys of the dictionary, you can use the keys function on the dictionary object. Okay, so this will give me the key names and I want to loop over all the key names. Okay, so let's see. Now I have got the key values in the key variable. Okay, don't get confused here. What is key? I can write anything here, I. Okay, so I will get the key name in the variable I. Okay, so in place of I am writing key in order to understand what I am doing here. For key in myDict.keys, and then what I want to append the key names in the empty list which I have already created here. Okay, so empty dot append, and what I want to append, I want to append the key which I have retrieved from the dictionary, and then I want to perform the sort operation. Okay, so we can use the sort function. This sort function will sort all the elements present in the empty list. Okay, so empty dot sort will sort all the elements, and then just return what I want to return empty, right? So after this loop condition is over, I want to return the empty. Okay, I can write this empty dot sort just after the loop also. This is also fine. So I will get a complete list here. Okay, I will get all the elements, all the key names are stored here in the empty dot append, and we have some value in empty. Then what I am doing here is I am sorting the empty list elements, and what we have in elements, we have the key names which we have retrieved from the dictionary. So our function is complete. One more thing, we have given this if condition. Okay, what if the input given by the user is not a dict type input? So what I want to say, let's do that. Just simply print that input is not of dictionary type, right? If the input given by the user is not a dictionary, I want to run the else statement, and inside the run statement I am printing a statement which will give the output as input is not of dictionary type. Okay, now the function is complete. What I have to do is now just take the input. So I will take the input using the AST module. So first import the AST module. So this is another way of taking input, and this one is the better way of taking input from the user. What is AST? AST means abstract syntax trees. Okay, so using this module we can understand the grammar of inputs given by the user. Okay, so in my dict I am taking the input, so ast dot literal underscore evaluate. I want to evaluate the input given by the user, so this will evaluate the grammar of the input, whether it is of list type, dictionary type, tuple type. So this is the better way of taking input from the user. In this way I don't need to specify whether I am going to take a dictionary value or a list type. Okay, see here I am not casting any value, I am directly taking the input from the user, and we will see how this will work here. Now just call the function, and inside the function pass the value which I have, so the function will be called and the value will be passed there. Now let's run this and see whether it is running properly or not. Okay, now let's paste this. This is a dictionary value, we have some key, we have some value, we have key, we have value. Okay, now let's run this. I must get the sorted value of key names, means AA and BB. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, we have got the correct output, AA and BB in the list, and this was our objective. See, we are getting this output. Now let's see, let's give some other input which is not a dictionary. Let's give a list 1, 2, 3, 4. See, this is not a dictionary, so in this case the if condition will fail. So what we should get? We should get this print statement which is inside the else statement. Okay, now run this, and we have got the output as input is not of dictionary type, which is true because the input given by me is not a dictionary, it's a list, and this is what I want here. Okay, so I hope you have got the clear understanding of this problem. So keep tuning to our channel and keep practicing. I will catch you up in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.